there's been a request for us to update you on the e-bikes, and as you can see, we've got two stuffed into a little micro. You know, you can quite easily put one of these folding e-bikes into your boot. We'll get it out.
Yeah. We'll try not to swear in the process.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's got. Ah, there we go.
Now with my one, move away from that, please, move away.
Yeah. With
my one, I took off the mud guards because I preferred not to have them on. It may look like I will. It looks like I may put them back on because obviously with this bike, and I know you probably can't see it now, you're not supposed to get these wet, strangely enough, and there's wiring all over them, and that's one of the things they say. So preferably I don't like the mud guards, that's up to me. The only other thing I can say is that with these ones, they sort of have a range of about 9 kilometers, and then you go on to one light and you still need the e-assist. So these are e-assist, and the only other downside is that the pedals are quite small. Other than that, 9 kilometers and you come back with one light.
So it gives you an 18-kilometre return trip.
Yeah, we've got 18 kilometres out of them, but you're on one light, so basically it's not assisting you anymore, but it's, how do I explain, it's running the lights and you're not working against the generator, because these things seem to have regenerating brakes, or some sort of regeneration it keeps the actual battery with a minimal charge in it, probably to work with the brake lights and such. So I'm purchasing new pedals. I'm getting mountain bike pedals because these ones are actually quite small. Originally these would have come with fold-up pedals. With the last models they had fold-up pedals. Apart from the fact that you've actually got to put the whole thing together, but for $400 we've looked at prices of other, even e-assisted bikes, like fold-up bikes, and you're looking around $2,000. So we've had no problems with charging. The only downside I had with my bike, when it came, the shock absorber was set to very soft, and I've cracked the actual dust cover on the shock absorber. Julie's came with a, hers was actually turned up. We didn't bother to check them when we put them together. That's our mistake. So other than that, we took the baskets off. What could you say? Any other issues?
Not really issues. I've found them better than I expected.
Yeah, I mean, they're very functional. They're not alloy,
yeah.
They're steel. And like I said, for the price, they're quite an affordable start into the e-bike. And being that you can get 2 of these into a micro, and if you know anything about a micro, it's probably one of the smallest vehicles next to, say, a little tiny Fiat thing.
Yeah. Yeah,
it's pretty small.
But with the back seats folded down, there's a lot of boot space.
And there's no reason why you couldn't get one of these into a small car's boot if you've just got one. So, yeah.
Now, we've taken mine out. I'm going to have a go at taking it out just one person. Yep. Bridge and I work on it together because it's a little easier. But for purposes of the video, I'll try taking it out by myself.
Okay then, all right.
Because the back wheel on these does tend to be heavy.
Where the motor is tends to be a lot heavier.
So the front wheel is easily manageable. Okay, it's heavy on the back, but as you can see, it's doable.
And they're only 250 watt. And there are 36 volts. So there are. If we looked in the manual said that parts are readily available. They try to use common parts that are available in most bike shops and stuff. So
I'm just trying to clip this.
And
there we go.
So Yeah, I don't know whether you can take these to a usual bike shop that's going to sell you them for $8,000, but parts are readily available. So yeah, it's a good start into the e-bike.
Yeah. I've got new pedals on order as well, just to add some colour.
And personality, like you personalise them,
yeah.
you know. The only thing I'm thinking is putting the mud guards back on, because, you know, he throws mud all through the... But that's it. Other than that...
we took the front basket on, which it came
come
with.
back this way, Ian.
Oh, sorry. Took the front basket off, which attaches here, mainly to give us an extra attachment point. We don't know if we'll use it, but it opens the possibility of hooking up a framework to hold a camera, for example, if we couldn't fit it on the handlebars.
Yeah, but that's just personal.
But that's just, yeah, personal touch.
The bikes seem to have a tube in them. They don't seem to be tubeless.
Yeah.
And I'm at the extreme end of the body weight, and they seem to handle it, even though I'm probably a little bit over the recommended thing. So
yeah.
Anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing else to add?
Nothing I can think of.
All right. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.